Good morning, everybody. It is time to finally start working on lifting my 1995 Isuzu Rodeo Passport, Honda Passport thing that I got out there. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to finally get these tires and wheels together. So I don't want to pay the $100 to mount and balance these things. So what I got was some tire irons. We got a brand new 17x8 wheel. We got a 33, we got a nice set of used. I would say they're probably 75% tread left on them. Used Patagonia, Milestar Patagonias, 33 12 5 17s. So this is the first thing I'm going to do. It just feels like I need to get these things together so I don't have a box of wheels and then also the tires kicking around, so it'll be a smaller packaging. But we've got, like I said, a 17x9 steel wheel, just a standard steel wheel, and then we're going to be using beads to balance it. So Counteract makes these beads that you put in the wheel, and that's actually what this had when I got them. It had beads in the wheel. And it made a big mess in the back of my truck. But you go on their website, you put in the size of tire and everything, and it calculates, it tells you which bag to buy. So it told me to buy these 6-ounce bags, 170 grams of the beads. And what you do is you just put, from what I understand, is you just put the whole bag. Yeah, so you open these up, and then you put this whole bag in the wheel, and then it breaks apart, and when the wheels sling around in the tire, it balances the tire. I figured this was a pretty good way to go because a lot of times it's hard to get these to balance out anyways. The steel wheels usually aren't that great as far as balancing, and same with these tires, mud tires. So just throw one of these bags in there, mount the thing, and we'll have wheels and tires. So I'm going to get to that, and I'm going to turn you guys on time lapse. Alright, here we go. How many PSI do we got? Probably not a lot. Oh, actually it feels a little stiff. No, we got about 15. Got a ways to go. Oh, you're moving. Oh, now it's moving. Oh, I really don't want to go past like 40 if I don't have to. Still under 30. Oh, it's moving. Slowly. About 35. It's moving, it's moving. Here it goes.
I hope that showed up in the camera.
Oh yeah.
Just clap.
Look at that. Just rained on us. All right, so there we are. We've got 4 tires mounted and we got the beads in them. One thing I wasn't paying attention to was the letters. So we got 1, 2 white walls and we got 1, 2 black walls. So I guess one side of the truck's getting white letters and the other side's getting black letters. If I was thinking about it, I probably would have done all black letters, but it doesn't really matter. I don't know if you can just, might be able to just scrape this off, because look at this S. This S right here's had a little bit taken off of it, and it doesn't seem like there's any white on there, so that might just be on the surface. It might actually be a paint. Back in the day, a lot of tires underneath the outside was a white wall, so you'd shave them down. A lot of people were shaving them down and turning them into white wall tires. But anyways, we got that done. It was not too terrible, and I had some help. It's definitely a 2-person job. You can do it with 1 person, but it really helps to have a second person to help hold a spoon for you, really. If you have 1 person to hold that spoon and you can work the other one, it just makes it way easier. But I'll see you guys in a little bit when we start working on the actual truck itself.